Televidente Bombini, na audição de timeout. Agora em timeout, vamos ter grande norte junto com nos corredor élite de distância na largo, nos corredora, com a senhora Lana Gobert, que nós vamos conversar agora em timeout. Agora nós vamos timeout. Cortica se nós vamos back, nós estamos conversando com Lana Gobert. Televidente, danke per aver conosciuto studio con la signora Lana Gobert. Lana, how are you?
Hello, hello. I'm very well, thank you.
It's nice to hear from you. Look, Lana, I read something on the Facebook, I think on your page. You're confronting some problem with your passion for running. What's happening?
I think each runner or along, our running journey, we reach the point where it seems like we've done it all. We have ran everything, and like we reached all the goals. And maybe what else is there? Like, why do I keep running? Why do I keep training? Why do I keep exerting myself to a certain level, right?
Yes.
Because to be a good runner, you have to really work hard. And so I've been having little troubles with that, for sure.
Maybe setting higher standards can help?
Honestly, what helped me, I went and I took part in a race in Aruba, our Urataka race,
Yes.
and I spoke to the people who are older than me, like 10, 15 years older than me, and still running. And it kind of gave me, a different view on it. And I thought that for sure, that, we can stay active, we can still train, and we can still do great things, basically, if we want to. And it actually gave me some desire to go and try it out. And so I've been doing a little more running lately.
Oh. Did you find another passion?
Not really, because you see, this year I have a big goal for the KLM Marathon in Aruba in June.
And yes.
And I've signed up for the KLM marathon, and the winner of that marathon will get a ticket to Amsterdam Marathon in October in Netherlands.
Oh, okay. Look, because I think maybe you've reached for Aruba the top. You can go higher, but you got to put more pressure on yourself to get better results in Aruba. But internationally, there's a lake of chances to do that.
Maybe you're right. Yes, exactly. And that's why I think that the marathon in Amsterdam would be an interesting step for me. And then I have another marathon coming up that I've signed up, the Sydney in Australia. The 7th major marathon.
Yes.
So I think I have enough like goals on my plate to really be working, working towards to.
And how do you cope with that? Look, you know what problems you had in the beginning of your career, and how are you going to adapt it to your daughter?
No, you see, because I started running very late. I was 55 years old, so I didn't have that um, athlete upbringing. And my daughter, and as well as my son, they've been doing sports since they're 6 years old, and they've been in this program, and they've been developing and working with coaches, and getting help and training regularly. So by the time they reach my age, they will be already surpassing my results with
Okay,
whatever it is.
okay, that's
I'm
great.
sure of that.
That's great. Televidente, ako sa tayo bawat kortika sinigyan ng sumiyaklo si Masku. Lana Gobert, nos corredor de distancia largo, élite.
Welcome to Holland. Welcome to the country of the world's most famous cows. This is where your Frisian flag milk comes from. Taste our nature at its best. Frisian flag. Discover the goodness of milk from Holland.
Televidente, dank je dat u ons stond ook Signora Lana Gobert. Lana, you were telling me something about the importance for Aruba. What was it?
Because of my internal problem with motivation that I've been having lately, I think I just want to tell all the people who are running or not running or trying to run, and when they feel down, that they shall not feel that they shall keep trying, keep showing up day after day and look around themselves and give it a try. Because you might feel a bit down for a week, but next week you're gonna feel better, and in 2 weeks you're gonna be again motivated and proud of yourself.
Look, running is every sport. So now and then you're gonna hit to the wall, hit to the wall. You must know how to surpass those walls. Is it easy at first instance?
Of course not, and you have to understand that there are walls, right? But you just work on yourself and you believe in yourself, and you keep looking. You take it step at a time. You take it a race at a time. You go and you keep it up. You hold your head straight, and you just keep going one step at a time.
Wow, that's nice to hear. Because I'm talking to you, but I'm thinking about your daughter. And
Yes.
I know your daughter is looking up to you. So keep it some, let's say, some more years, because I think she's good.
Yes, exactly. That's why I'm saying that she's my motivator, because I cannot stop right now. I cannot show her that, like you feel not, if you don't feel like it, you might stop. No, you give it a try, and you still reach to be better. You do what you can, and you try, harder,
That's
and
nice. Hey, look,
Yeah.
one question. What do you want to reach in 2025? You told me something about Amsterdam Marathon and one in.
Yes, first I will run the full marathon in Aruba in June, and then I'm planning to go to Amsterdam. And finally, this year, I want to run sub 3 again, because last 2 years I've been running over 3 hours. But I'm sure that I'm with the right preparation, I can run sub 3, and so that is my goal for this year.
Sub 3, tell me something.
Yeah, under 3 hours. You know how I started my marathon journey, and I ran 3 hours, and I ran sub 3 hours, and last 2 years I've been going over 3 hours. I think I was getting a little too comfortable in my
Yes.
during the race.
Your
So
comfort,
this year I have to
your,
work on it.
your comfort zone was big in Aruba. You're not getting
Yeah.
competition in your comfort zone. Outside of Aruba, you get it. But let's one more question I want to ask you is this: What can be done to create better ladies runners?
Here in Aruba, I think that with all the running clubs that we have and the popularity of running, I think we have quite a few young girls who are, taking run upon running, and I think we have quite a few of the younger girls who are being the models for running. And I think we just like your program or any other sports program or sports Ministry of Aruba, we can highlight all those female athletes who are trying hard and help, make them visible and make them role models for the even younger kids.
Does a group of only ladies riders exist in Aruba? Ladies runners, sorry.
Um, so far, not, but I think we can definitely do that. If
That
I'm
will
sure
help.
that some ladies are comfortable with that. That's a great idea too.
That will help. It will help your confidence. It will help the passion. And you can look.
Yeah.
You're good. You can create passion in others. Maybe your passion was to do much more what you are doing right now, but don't worry. What you did is already phenomenal. So let's see what you can do for others. What do you think about that?
I love that idea, yes. And I like to, right now I'm working with Sports for You kids, and I love doing that. It's nice to see, to use your experience and help others, do better in their training.
Wow, that is nice to hear about that. Let's talk about your daughter. How is she doing? What is her plan for her plans for this year?
The 2025 is, we have another carita for triathlon. And yesterday she just swam 3K open water, and she got invited to swim 5K open water in the swimming carita. So for us, it's a interesting turn on the road if she would do that. Something new to investigate, to do. And then, of course, we keep working on the running and see what she can do with the running standards.
Oh, okay. So is she a triathlete?
Yes, originally she's doing triathlon, and that's why I tell people, that's why I tell parents that triathlon is a perfect sport that you can teach your kids to swim, you can teach them to bike, and you can teach them to run, and then they will practice those three sports, and then they will see for themselves which sport they prefer better, and maybe later they one of those.
That is how you create real passion. Televidente?
Yeah.
Wow. Qué honor, Awe. Then time out. Lana Gobert. Es una más grande que el corrimiento aqui na Aruba. Te Awe, te dia de Awe. E eu estou confrontando certo problema chiquito, pero me queda com seguro mirando seu resultado no que está tendo no exterior. E por logra, hope que mais grande. Lana, thank you very much. Keep doing what you are doing. I think there is a lot of things more to be conquered in your passion life and in your runner's life that you already did, but you have much more to accomplish it. Thank you.
Thank you.